What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you had a spectacular weekend. We're going to go over our friend BTC. Nice bounce from our reversal zone, sitting at 27.7. We're going to look at a couple scenarios. We're up 2.8 on the day. See market cap of 541 billion. 24 volume, 13.35 billion. If you get any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash that like button. For the YouTube algorithm, smash it up. Okay. So we bounced from our bounce zone from our wave 2. So what we need to see, we only have 3 waves up right now. So the first signal would be a 5-wave move. So if you get one more wave up, you pull back into 4, you push up into 5. That would be your first signal of potential bullish scenario. You'd pull back and then you potentially could see continuation. The second confirmation would be to break 28.6, the wave 1 high. To give you that bullish confirmation, you're going to push up into wave 3. Now a bearish scenario, we do only have 3 waves up. This is on the daily chart. So there is potential that we roll over. So we've come down, we have a WXY, and within that we have a smaller WXY, come down the wave W. So if we don't break that X wave high and we roll over, then there's a chance we come lower in a deeper wave 2 in between 19K to 50% at 23.3. So if we fail to break that X wave high and we only have 3 waves off the low, that's when you can come down deeper in the wave 2. Now we have broken back above the daily EMAs. So if we get a daily close above those EMAs, that would be bullish. And if we can hold those daily EMAs. But as I mentioned, as of right now, off that low there, we just have 3 waves up. So until we get 4 waves up, if we just simply roll over, especially if we start to come down and break 26.6, then that could be more confirmation you are going to come deeper down in the retracement, put in that head and shoulders pattern, and potentially come down to the target zone in between 19 and 23K. Taking a look at the DXY, we have a head and shoulders. So I do think there's an opportunity. We see continuation down in a B. The only thing that makes me a little bit skeptical is the wave 5 is very short. So as you can see right here, if we take a measurement, trend-based fib extension from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3 to the bottom of 4 to give you a target for the wave 5. The wave 5 target's all the way up at 109 to 618. Any break above the wave 3 can complete the wave 5, but it is very short. So I'm a little bit hesitant, a little bit cautious of that. If we do bounce and we break that high, we invalidate a head and shoulders, then you could potentially push higher. And of course, BTC should drop because it's correlated. So if we roll over, we create that head and shoulders, 105, we start to break down the wave B. That's when you can see that bullish scenario play out for BTC. And break that bullish confirmation. We'll see how it plays out. We are currently in trades for Bitcoin and Solana, and we already hit our first 2 take profits on the Bitcoin trade. We moved stop loss to break even on both trades, so both of them are currently risk-free. I gave signals in the Discord, but first things first, make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN for all my US Canadian traders looking for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into your futures account. So if you deposit $100, $20 to trade with for free, $1,000, $200 to trade with for free, my subscribers only. My signals are $10 a month. As I mentioned, we're currently in 2 trades. Daily crypto analysis for many pairs. My exact trade setups for crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, as well as we're trading Forex. Huge potential trades coming up in gold and silver, so we're getting ready for that. So not only can you trade crypto, but as well as Forex, all for $10 a month, which you spend every single day. You can sign up below through the Patreon. Check out my full length tutorial on BITUNIX. Sign up to that too if you'd like to. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care. Smash the like button. Okay. See ya.